Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nusrat Jahan, Assistant Teacher, English Version, Ismahani Girls School and College. Hope you all are doing great. I'm also safe and sound, Alhamdulillah. Girls, as you know, we are locked down at home due to the pandemic coronavirus. We could not finish our half-yearly syllabus. But nothing can stop us from learning, right? So here, I'm with a short video clip to help the students of Class 5 English Version. So let's start our class. Today we will start with chapter 8, average. At first you have to learn a formula to solve the problems related to average. The formula is average is equal to sum of quantities divided by number of quantities. Here sum of quantities means the amounts mentioned in the questions. You have to add all the amounts mentioned in the questions. That will be the sum of quantities, and after that you have to divide the sum of quantities with the number of how many things are there. That is the number of quantities. Okay. So to make it clear to you, girls, I have prepared some questions for you. Let's look at the questions. Number 2, the table below shows the amount of milk taken from one cow. The table below shows the amount of milk taken from one cow. You can see a table here. Number A, what is the total amount of milk that the cow gives in 7 days? Here you can see the amount of milk of 7 days that is taken from a cow is given in the table. These are the quantities. These are the quantities 13, 16, 15 liters. These are the quantities. And how many quantities are there in the table? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the number of quantities. The 7 is the number of quantities. Now let's look at the solution. The total amount of milk the cow gives in 7 days is equal to, we have to add all the quantities to find out the sum. Here we have added 13, 16, 15, 13, 17, 14 and 17, and we got 105 liter. So this is the sum of quantities. Okay. Now let's look at the question B. What is the average amount of milk that the cow gives in 1 day? What is the average amount of milk that the cow gives in 1 day? Okay. Now we have to find out the average finally. Here the total amount of milk the cow gives in 7 days is 105 liter. We got it from A. Now we have to find out the average of milk the cow gives in 1 day. Now we will follow the formula. Here 105 is the sum of quantities and 7 is the number of quantities. So we're going to divide the sum of quantities by the number of quantities. We got 15 by dividing 105 by 7. Okay, so this is the average amount of milk the cow gives in 1 day. In this way we can solve the question number C also. What is the average amount of milk that the cow gives in last 4 days? The question can vary. Last 4 days, first 4 days, middle 3 days, anything. You have to understand how to find out the average. Okay. Last 4 days, let's check the last 4 days. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday are the last 4 days of the week. So we have to write down the amounts of milk of last 4 days at first. Then we have to find out the sum. After that we have to divide it by 4 because the number of days is 4. Let's check the solution. In last 4 days the cow gives milk in total. Here we have added all the amounts. We got 61 liter. After that, to find out the average, we have divided 61 by 4. That means the sum of quantities is divided by the number of quantities, and we got 15.25 liter. Okay, so girls, in this way you can solve the problems related to average. I think the video will help you. Okay, so that is all for today. Take care, stay home, stay safe. If you feel any problem, feel free to knock me. Take care. See you again, inshallah. Tata.